At your PC, ensure firstly that you are using the correct print queue. If you want to change settings, click on Properties. Most users will be defaulted to black and white, two-sided printing. If required, you can change from black and white to colour here. You can also change from double-sided to single-sided printing here. Now click on OK and print your job as normal. To release your prints at the device, hold your card over the reader to log in. Now select Follow your printing. Now select all and then Print. Once you have collected your prints, hold your card over the reader once again to log out.